Are you looking for the best bowling shoe? Bowling shoes are the one piece of gear most bowlers underestimate, yet they set the foundation for slide control, stability, and comfort across leagues, tournaments, and casual play. The right pair can improve consistency, while the wrong fit or outsole setup can hinder performance and even cause discomfort over a long night of bowling.
Product number 1. KR Strike Force Men's Athletic Bowling Shoe. Overview. The KR Strike Force Men's Athletic Bowling Shoe combines a soft, durable man-made upper with an injection EVA outsole and Flex-Lite technology, intended to deliver lightweight cushioning and smooth transitions. It features high-abrasion, non-marking rubber heel pods for slide control and number 8 white microfiber slide pads on both shoes, Flex-Lite technology. This model is positioned as a versatile, budget-friendly option with a practical blend of comfort and performance. The inclusion of a 1-year manufacturer warranty adds peace of mind for casual and league bowlers alike. Performance-wise, the injection EVA outsole helps keep weight down and offers responsive cushioning underfoot, which translates to reduced fatigue over long sessions. The non-marking heel pods aid slide predictability on typical league approaches, while the microfiber slide pads provide a consistent slide feel across lane conditions. Fit considerations include standard sizing with a reasonably stable midfoot heel area, though some users report that leather-like uppers can feel slightly stiff out of the box. This model excels for budget-conscious bowlers who want dependable slide and support without stepping up to premium knit or leather constructions.
Product number 2. Pyramid Men's Path-Lite Seamless. Overview. Pyramid's Path-Lite Seamless Mesh men's model emphasizes a lightweight, seamless knitted upper paired with athletic fit and breathable construction. It uses universal slide soles designed for versatility across conditions, combining comfort with a performance-ready profile. The design is aimed at players who want a breathable, low-profile shoe without sacrificing support or sliding control. In practice, the seamless knit upper reduces irritations and hot spots during long sessions, while the lightweight build helps reduce fatigue. The universal slide sole system is a practical choice for bowlers who switch lanes or play a variety of house shots, but some users may prefer a more specialized slide for extremely oily or extremely dry lanes. Overall, this model offers a solid balance of comfort and performance with a focus on breathability and fit consistency, making it a strong mid-range option for frequent league players.
Product number 3. KR Strike Force AeroFast Overview. The KR Strike Force AeroFast Twist introduces a high-quality single-piece knitted upper and a TPU outsole designed for lightweight and flexibility. A TPU heel stabilizer and an H-bar heel locking system aim to improve stability and fit, while a traditional lace-up design with a higher tongue and heel adds security and comfort for longer practice sessions or tournaments. The AeroFast Twist sits in the premium approachable tier with a focus on fit precision and feel. Performance-wise, the knitted upper yields a sock-like fit that adapts to foot shape, while the TPU outsole keeps the shoe exceptionally light and flexible for quick transition. The H-bar banked heel locking helps reduce heel movement, which is beneficial for bowlers who rely on precise foot placement. It's a good choice for players who prioritize secure lockdown and a premium intuitiveness in fit, though some may find the knit upper less breathable than mesh in hotter environments. Overall, this model suits serious bowlers who want a snug, support.
Product number 4. Pyramid Women's Path-Lite. Overview. The Women's Path-Lite Seamless Mesh from Pyramid mirrors the men's version with a breathable, seamless knit upper and athletic fit, designed for female bowlers seeking comfort and performance. Like the men's variant, it uses universal slide soles to accommodate a variety of lane conditions while keeping weight low for day-long wear. The design emphasizes a streamlined silhouette and a comfortable, responsive ride. In use, the seamless mesh upper reduces potential irritation and improves airflow, mitigating foot heat during extended sessions. The athletic fit helps sustain stability through the non-linear transitions inherent in the sport, and the universal slide soles provide flexibility across different house conditions. As with the men's version, some players may prefer lane-specific slide options for optimized performance on very oily or very dry surfaces. This model is ideal for players who want a dedicated women-specific option at a similar price to the other Pathlight variant.
Product number 5. KR Strikeforce, the Maui. The Maui women's athletic-style bowling shoe from KR Strikeforce is positioned as a budget-friendly, lightweight option with a breathable mesh upper and a standard lace design for security. It uses an open-cell foam deluxe footbed for comfort and features #8 slide pads on both shoes to provide a reliable slide experience for both right and left-handed bowlers. Offered in gray and rose, it targets casual to recreational bowlers who need value without sacrificing basic performance. Performance-wise, the Maui's lightweight mesh upper helps keep foot fatigue low, and the open-cell foam footbed adds a touch of cushioning underfoot during long sessions. The slide pads are a standout feature at this price point, enabling a predictable slide for a wide range of bowlers. However, the shoe's lower price often translates to less premium materials and fewer advanced stability or lockdown features compared to higher-priced models. It's a terrific starter option, or